In today's video, I will show you a new method on how to make money online. I think the method of today can do everyone. Every beginner can start with this business, and also it gives you a passive income in the future. You must do something for it, but put there a little bit of work in it, then you can make maybe hundreds or thousands of dollars every single month. And if you want to see more strategies on how to make money online, how to make money internet, then subscribe to my channel for absolutely free. So welcome back, guys. Today I will show you a new strategy on how to make money online, and I would say we can start right now. You see it now in the background. Bonfire.com. Design your next favorite custom t-shirt. This website can give you a passive income in the future. It's not about affiliate marketing. You can design your own t-shirts, put that t-shirts in your own online shop on bonfire.com. Yeah, you can customize it, and then you can sell the t-shirts over and over again. And you must do nothing. Bonfire.com does everything for you. Yeah, you only design the t-shirts. I will show you how you can do this, and some people rank on the website, and yeah, this is a little bit difficult to rank here on bonfire.com because here are many people, but I will show you new strategies where you get free traffic and where you can sell your t-shirts. So go to bonfire.com and then you can sign up for absolutely free. It costs you nothing. And here it is. Sell t-shirts online through a campaign. Sell custom products online by creating your own campaign page where anyone can check out. Yeah, you can create your own online shop. I will show you that online shop in a minute. Yeah, then it looks like here on the right side, you have here the amount of money and how much t-shirts are sold in your online store. So I would say I go now to my dashboard. This is my dashboard, and here you can start. You can invite some friends if you want. Here you have payouts. Then here is your own store. Yeah, you can create it. When I click here, create my store, then we can give our store a name, like for today, dog lovers. Then go to continue, and then you can design your own store. Yeah, you don't need an impressum or any other stuff. This is from Bonfire. You only need your t-shirts, and yeah, you can do something with Canva maybe for the background, but I think this is not so important, and you can copy and paste it, or look what shop design looks very good, and yeah, you can make it similar to it, and then you have your own design on your shop. But the important thing is you must go to campaigns, and then we can start to design new t-shirts. Here on the right side, start new, we click on it, and then we can create our designs for our t-shirt. So the color of the t-shirt is gray. We can go here to the plus, and then we can make it white or red. When the t-shirts are in your store, then 5 of these colors are available. So maybe you take white, then maybe black. Red is a cool color, and we can take royal blue. Dark either gray is also a nice color. So I would say we take these 5 colors for our t-shirt, and now we can put maybe a text on it. Like when it's a shop about dogs, then you have a small text, and the text can be very funny. Yeah, I type it here on Google, funny dog shirts. Here, yes, you can pet my dog. Or maybe like, sorry, I am late, I saw a dog. Like these simple claims on the t-shirts. Yeah, you can ask someone maybe on Fiverr for $5, and he gives you a cool design for this t-shirt, and then you can take it, or take some claims from Google and put that claims on your t-shirt. I think this must be unique, and also this is very important. You can go to Pixabay and there are free vector graphics. So all of these vector graphics you can take for free for your t-shirts. Yeah, type in maybe like dogs, or when you have cats, or any other stuff. Yeah, the dog niche is very, very big, and there are so many customers, but there are hundreds and thousands of niches that you can take and where you can design your t-shirts. You can make so much online shops how often you want, and yeah, you can take some of these designs for free and then download your design from Pixabay, or you go maybe to Fiverr and you can get very cool designs for only $5 to $10. And these are not copy and paste designs. They will create unique designs. You see it here, over 1,000 people give him a review. Yeah, and he starts at 8.75 euro, or he creates your t-shirt designs for 4.37 euro, and so on. It's very, very cheap, and you get unique designs for your t-shirt, and you can do it over and over again. And per sale, you get maybe like $5, $10, or $15. So when someone buys one shirt, you have the $5, your small investment back. And yeah, you can create another t-shirt and do this over and over again and earn thousands of dollars. So on Bonfire, you have some free graphics. Yeah, when you go here to find graphics, then we can type in like a dog. But I would take your own design. Yeah, you can go on upload art, and then we can upload our file. So this is my upload, the original, and this is the print. So we take this, and now we have our dog. Yes, you can rotate it here. You can flip it. You can do whatever you want. You can do something on the back, then on the forward, and so on. And if you want, you can put here some funny claims over the dog. Yeah, I think this is very easy and everyone can do this. Yeah, go to Pixabay, take some vector graphics, or go to Fiverr and then create a design. Then we go to next. And here you see it, sell this design, sell online, and we will ship directly to your buyers. 100% free, no inventory. And then we go to start selling. You can buy your own t-shirt, but we want to put it in our online store. And yeah, people all over the world can buy our t-shirts, and we can earn money over and over again with this simple method. So the base costs are $15.64. And if the selling price is $24.99, we get $9.35. I think this is a good price, and we get, $10 for every single sale. But if we sold maybe like 250 t-shirts, then we get $11.12 because, so many t-shirts are sold in our online shop, and then the base costs are a little bit cheaper for us, and we get a little bit more of profit. And if we sell 500 t-shirts, we get around $6,000. This is absolutely amazing. And then, we can go to next. Then the next step, I would like to make money. And then we have here some keywords. We can take animals or animal rescue and have here some more keywords. Then you can take all of these keywords that are matching to your online shop. And then you finished it, and we can sell now our t-shirts. So we create only one t-shirt. You can put here 100 designs. This is no problem. And a title and a small description for the t-shirts and for the t-shirt. And now is the question, where can I sell it? Where is the free traffic? And I will show you two different strategies where you get people who likes to buy some of these t-shirts. So first I type in dog forum. You can go to all of these forums here on Google, and all forums are absolutely free. And here you can promote your dog t-shirt. You can say, hey, here I buy this t-shirt from this online shop on Bonfire. And then you put the link in your small article, and yeah, someone clicks on it and buys your t-shirt. And this is absolutely free traffic, and you can go to hundreds of these forums and sell your t-shirts over and over again and make thousands of dollars. And the second strategy is Facebook. Here you see the groups, all dog lovers community, dog and cat, dog memes, sweet dogs, dog lovers world, dog lovers Punjab. So here are thousands, hundreds thousands of groups about dogs, and you can go to all of these groups, and there you can promote your online shop and earn the money. So if you want to see more videos, then hit the thumbs up, and you can subscribe my channel CashCrow for absolutely free. I will upload here daily videos about how to make money online.